Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see shared libraries in Jenkins. So what are shared libraries? So it basically allows you to reuse common pipeline code across like multiple Jenkins files. This helps you make like cleaner code and a centralized usable like logic. So when you should use like basically when you want to reuse code across multiple pipelines, like you have duplicate like groovy logic in multiple Jenkins file. So then you can keep create a shared library and that you can use in both builds. So I'll start with a small groovy script. So here this is my repo that I have created. So here I'm going to create one file that will be groovy file. I'm creating one folder, let's say var, and inside that var I'll write git checkout.groovy. So I'll write a common code for git checkout that you can use in multiple builds. So here this is a function, and inside that whichever arguments that are mapped. So first let's say repo, because dynamically we are calling, then branch, which branch to check out, and if any particular credential id you want to use. So then here checkout code, so same here git scm is used, then which branch checkout is passed dynamically, url of the repo and credential. So that's the like dynamic way to load your repo. So this file we will be using in our shared library now. So now let's commit this file. Now let's go to manage Jenkins system. So inside system you can find this shared library configurations. So let's go to shared library headings. So under heading global trusted pipeline libraries, you can write your shared library. So let's add one. So here name you can give according to your choice. So here I'm writing, let's say my shared git library. After the default version, you need to pass your branch name. So here I'm passing main. After that modern SCM only I'm going to use, and inside that git already selected. Now project repo I need to pass. So that I'll just copy the link from clone and I'll paste it here. So now I'll be using git credentials. So these I have added in previous videos. So if you want to add new credentials, you can go and add into manage Jenkins. So after that branches also if you want to see. So that's one library we have added. So also fresh clone per build you can option use if you want, but let's save this as of now. So after save, if you will go to again back configurations, so choose global, yeah, here. So here you can see currently mapped to revision. So id also here it's showing, and some details here you can see. So it's a defines that it's properly synced with your repo. So now let's start with build. So create new items. So let's give Jenkins shared library, and this will be a pipeline only, and create this project. So now in the script section, first let's try some sample pipeline. Let's say hello world. So before the pipeline, we will be calling our shared library. So how you will call it? At the rate library you will be passing, and inside that you need to pass your name of library which you have given. So I have given my shared git library. So now in environment, I'll be passing three things. First is git repo. So URL here we will be passing that git credential. So if you have any different credential, then git branch. So which branch you want to check out. So now let's create one more stage here. So copy the same stage and paste. So here we will be writing this checkout code. So now first step, then script. So inside script we will be calling our function here. So function will be same as your file name git checkout. So I'm having, if we will go in repo, so here go to was, so git checkout dot groovy. So inside this function is there. So this same file name we will be calling git checkout, and inside this parameter we will be passing. So first I'll be passing repo. So here same you pass repo and env dot git repo. Then branch also you map branch with env dot git branch. Same with credentials. So credentials also I'll be mapping with git credentials. Okay, I have added a bracket. These are not needed. Directly you need to pass. Then these three things are mapped. Let's change the stage to checkout. Now let's fill our environment variables. So first let's fill git repo. After that, credentials will be blank and passing because I have already added in config, and here branch will be main. So that's how my pipeline is looking after every change. Now let's save. So now let's give one build. Click on build now. So now you can see build started. Let's go to console. So here you can see in the starting that library is used, and here checkout is happening. You can see cloning the remote git repository. So this is of git checkout. Groovy script was done. Now if you will come down, so here you can see this repo also fetched checkout happen. Hello world printed at last, and if this build is a success. So pipeline overview of, so you can see two stages checkout. Here particular stage one also you can check, and second is hello only. There is nothing in that, only print is there. You can also check workspace that your repo is properly checked out or not. Go to workspace and check for all files. So I can see my all files are there of repo. So if I'll go to repo also, so here same files you can see. So you can compare and check your commits in workspace. So that's how you can use shared library. So if you have multiple like builds and that git checkout is happening, so you can use same code there. I hope you like this video. That's all in this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.